In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange the artboards. You can see that my document here has 5 different artboards. I want to arrange them in a row. So what you need to do is go up to Window and choose Artboards. And then this window will pop open here. You can see my 5 artboards. I need to click on the options here, these little 3 lines. Click on that. It lets me either add a new one or duplicate, but down here at the bottom it says rearrange all artboards. So I can click on that. And then if I hover my mouse over these, it tells me what each one of those layouts is: grid by row, grid by column, arrange by row, or arrange by column, which is vertical. So I'm going to choose arrange by row. And this lets you set the spacing between it. I'm going to leave that as the default. And then you want to make sure that you check move artwork with artboard so that when it moves the artboard that your artwork stays on there, and then press OK.